Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how to create a menu in WordPress. So here you can see that menus are like here we have different pages over here. So whenever we are clicking on this, these are the menus in the header section like services, then it will redirect us to services page. So how we can create a menu? So first let's now go back to our WordPress dashboard to create this menu. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become a part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress template on different theme developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So now how to create a menu in the from dashboard. So from in dashboard, whenever you will hover over this appearance, you will get a menus option. So here from this menus option we can able to create a menu. So first of all, create your first menu. Here it is telling us because we don't have any menu, so I want to give it a menu name as main menu, and you can set it as you can create different menus, like if you want to display your menu in your header or if you want to display your menu in footer, you can set it over here. So here I have selected it as header, and then here if you will get we are getting one more option which is auto add pages. What does it do? It will do, here it is clearly mentioned that automatically add new top level pages to this menu. So if you will tick mark this, so whatever pages you will create, automatically it will get added to the menu, but I don't need this. So let me click on create menu and let me create the menu first. So alright, here you can see that our menu is created. So now we have, like here in the pages option you will get whatever pages you have, and then in the post also you will get all the posts, and then you can also create custom links, and you can also create a menu from the categories also. So I have only a single page, so let me first add a home page to the menu, and then here if you will notice we have about, our blog, our team. So how we can, you can whenever whatever pages you will have, you will get all the pages option from here, or you can create a custom link also. Suppose I want to create one about us, so let me give it about us. I will add it to menu, and then I want to create one contact us, so I will create one contact us, and then I will add it to menu. Here you can see home, about, contact us, our team, our blog. We can create a number of, like we don't have any URL, or we can go to the pages. If we have created those pages, then in pages option also we will get all the pages, but we don't have any pages. So for how you can create a custom link also, that is what I am showing over here. So here our team, and then I want to create one services page, so services in menu. So now alright, you can see now we have 5 items in our menu. So you can also rearrange them like this. I need after about us I need my services, contact us I need at last. After that, here in our in this site, if you will notice, whenever I am hovering over this about, I am getting this about 1 and about 2. How you can do that one? Again, let me create one more about 1 and about 2, and I have added it to menu. So after that, if you want as this about 1 and about 2 as sub item, so you can do it like this. So under about us we have about 1 and about 2. Let me save the menu, and now let's view the page what we are getting. So here you can see that whenever I am hovering over this about us, about 1 and about 2 is coming. But if you will make another sub item under about 1 and about 2, let's see what it's happening. So let me refresh the page, and if you will notice under about us we have about 1, and when I am hovering over to about 1, it is showing me about 2. In this way you can create number of sub menus item, like under about 2 if you want to keep this services, you can do that one also. Let me save it and now refresh it. So now if you will see about 1 and then about 2, then services is coming. So in this way you can create different sub items. I don't let me rearrange them and click on save menu. So with this we have completely achieved our menu section. We have learned how to create menu in WordPress. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates.